At TRIVACO, we're serious about your operations. Since 1969, we've been the trusted partner for complete turnkey solutions. We engineer top-quality products, dream up innovative solutions, and back it all with exceptional service every single time. Because settling for anything less just isn't the TRIVACO way. Need a custom automation system designed to perfectly fit your needs? Our team of engineers, designers, machinists, and fabricators are problem-solving experts, ready to tackle any challenge. Got a tricky component that requires a custom-built bracket? No sweat. Our fabrication and machining department can create practically anything to keep your system running flawlessly. We don't just build it, we make it run like a dream. Our field service and installation crew are all-stars at getting your system up and running flawlessly, then sticking around to ensure everything clicks like a well-oiled machine. Down the line, if anything needs attention, our internal service team is on call, ready to jump in and keep your operation running strong. Questions? We've got answers. Our knowledgeable sales staff are always available to meet with you and brainstorm the perfect solution for your specific needs. Think of them as your personal industrial consultants. Industry leaders trust TRIVACO for a reason. We're experts in custom skid manufacturing, fiberglass tank fabrication, industrial coatings, safety relief and valve repair, and operate a UL508A Certified Panel Shop. We're also a distributor and representative for some of the most elite manufacturers in the world. This combination of expertise and partnerships allows us to deliver the quality and reliability you need to keep your operation running smoothly. Ready to experience the TRIVACO difference? Contact us today for a free consultation. Let's see how we can help you reach your full potential.